Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've got some sad news. The SDR.hu website, and this is a website that was developed as an interface to the Kiwi SDRs that were on the internet. And these were radios that you could control, private individual radios that they put on the internet that you could control. You could tune, you could change modes. They even added decoding functions, so you could decode like weather facts. Well, this was an interface to that. So it was a nice, neat listing of all the radios, a map to show you where the radios were. You could just point and click. And I got an email this morning from the author of this SDR.hu. And I've got it right here, I believe. Yeah, so now if you go to SDR.hu, you don't get this page. You get this. And it says, the project has been finished. It's basically done, gone, done. And then if you come down here to FAQ, tells you a little bit more about the project. It's done, how it was set up, the fact that it's based on the KiwiSDR.com website, and the gentleman has removed it. He's not going to support it anymore. It's gone. So I'm like panicking. So I did some further checking, and I clicked on this website. This is where all these receivers are set up. So you run this special software. So let's just go there. I think I got it right here. That's not it. That's the next page. Whoa, go back. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, let's go here. Okay, there it is. This is the Kiwi SDR webpage. The webpage address is lowercase KiwiSDR.com. Now, they have updated and said former users of SDR.hu, you can still get that kind of visual view of all the radios by going to one of these other websites. But what SDR.hu, it did is it combined all these. So now you have to go to these individuals. And the gentleman says, we wish to sincerely thanks this gentleman, the maintainer and creator of the former SDR.hu. So you can still click on like here, which I think is what I showed you. Yeah, that's here, and see a list of the receivers. And you can click on a receiver and go to that receiver and control it. So we'll grab one here real quick. We just click on this one here, and there it is. So, okay, audio, mute. Where's mute? Okay, so here's one of the receivers, just one of the many receivers that are using this Kiwi SDR software to present their radio on the internet for people to use. So now the next thing is, in the listing on SDR.hu, there was a button to see the radios on a map. Well, that's here also, right up here. So you click on that, and there's the map, and then you can see where the radios are, and then you can click on a radio and get to it that way. So the elements are pretty much still there, but the improvements that the SDR.hu did to the interface, those are gone. Although most of them have been incorporated on the Kiwi SDR website, the main website. So it's not totally gone. So it's just that me, for instance, I'm going to have to put this in my bookmarks to go to this, actually back to this one now instead of the SDR.hu. So I was in a panic for about 15, 20 minutes this morning because I thought that interface was gone. And I even did a show and said, okay, now you're going to have to figure out where all these radios are and set up a link for each radio. Well, no, the listing is still there on the Kiwi SDR and the map is still there. Okay, so we're cool. Whew. That was close. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.